Nigeria has 58 million farmers, and these 58 million farmers are raring to go. But because of the fact that the population, the farming population is aging, and people who are young do not want to come into agriculture, we have that deficit. But be that as it may, Olam has been in Nigeria since 1989, involved in trading. But right now we're said to ourselves, let's go through that whole gamut of the value chain process. So we will now process cashew, we process cocoa. Cocoa processing is done in Akure. Cashew processing is done in Ilorin. We have a company called Caraway. Caraway does cashew called ponchos. That's finished products, cashew called ponchos. For some of you might know it. We have a company called OK Foods, which is to do biscuits and confectionery. Of course, where you use flour, sugar, and all that. We have a company called Crown Flour Mills, which is into flour. So in that entire agricultural value space, we play, and we play big time. And we believe that we are a major player and we should be taken seriously. And I think government is taking us seriously, and we are collaborating with government in more ways than one. And like I said again, we have keyed into government's transformation agenda, agricultural transformation agenda, of which the agricultural minister is very passionate, and of which the government of President Goodluck Jonathan is equally passionate as well. And what is important to do is always to key into government's agenda on agriculture, or in whatever policy. So what we're basically saying here is that we've been here in Nigeria since 1989, being a major player, being the largest exporter after oil and gas. We've done that in the last 3 years. It's not this award is not by us. It's adjudged by CBN. We are the best exporter outside oil and gas because of what we have been exporting: cocoa, cashew, sesame, cotton. You can say it's very simplistic, but hey, we are here for a marathon, not a sprint. If it was a sprint, we'll have since quit Nigeria. But we are here for the long run, a marathon, and we are here to stay. My business is to run our business here in the country properly and efficiently in the best way possible, partner with states that are interested in moving agriculture forward. Every state in Nigeria has its area of strength and its crops that it grows. I mean, we are in Cross River, for example, for cocoa. We're in Oyo, Ogun, and Osun for cocoa as well. Cashew from Kogi and all that axis. Cotton in Funtua. We can go, I mean, like I said, we're in Nigeria in 33 states, directly and indirectly. So only 3 states of the federation we're yet to cover, which we'll probably get there. But I mean, it's not very easy to be able to cover 33 states in Nigeria. It's not a mean feat. And I say this that to the point in which, to a large extent, I think we are keen into the federal government. We're keen to the state governments who are ready to partner with us. But again, we have to look at it on the terms of how workable are some of these ideas. Because sometimes they are grandiose ideas which are difficult to realize. So for us, we are here to partner with any state that is disposed to partner with us in any way.